Have you ever heard of ChatGPT? It's actually a new version of AI that can generate a straight answer for your question. So what's the difference between the ChatGPT answers compared with the Google? Because the Google, when you research something, right, it will just like generate thousands of results that for you to filter it out from your own, right? But the ChatGPT is like it's like a, how to say, like a conclusion. It just like give you an answer that you needed, so without you to struggle the which result you want to use, which recipe you want to use. Now I will just show you how it works. So let's see. So this whole thing is the ChatGPT. It's just simply you type in ChatGPT in your Google, then you can get into this page. It's actually an AI that can help you with anything you ask. You can see that the examples here, or many like blah 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 blah. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Yeah, I heard it can do the coding for you as well, but I'm not IT, so I'm not interested. I have exploring about like few months ago, and I accidentally found out this AI actually can generate recipe as well. I never think of that because the recipe is just a simple things, right? So, but I don't know how, because I'm just asking some scripts from the ChatGPT, but when it comes out, it generates me a recipe. Take an example. Maybe write me a script. Script about the product introduction. Okay, so he can get you the answer with it, along with all the steps, even the shooting. You can see that? Yeah. Yeah, it's even told you how to make a start at your video. Opening shot of a product display table with a new product illustrator. Yeah, you can imagine the situation already when you're reading this, right? What we're gonna do today is we follow the recipe and the instruction that exactly this AI generated. Give me a recipe, maybe. Give me a cake recipe. Okay. So we're going to try some simple cake, vanilla cake, which is the normal common butter cake. Hold on, let me see the ingredients. Yeah, this is the butter cake. Basically just generate one answer for you. Maybe it's the top answer that you have. Of course you can regenerate the response again, but we just go for the first answer. Okay, and we're gonna do this and see is the recipe right, and see how the result is. Let's go. But this recipe is actually 2 big portions, so I'm going to cut in half. So 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it some stir. Don't have the salt at the moment, so I'm going to replace the unsalted butter to salted butter. Butter, 1/2 cup of sugar. Start raising it up. Alright, nice and creamy. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it some stir. 1/2 cup of milk. Yeah. Alright, first start with the flour. Maybe divide into 3 of it. Alright. Same, 3 parts of it. Repeat the step with the dry flour and the milk. Second part of milk. Last part of flour. Last part of milk. Scrub all the way down. I'm using one hand right now, so it's quite difficult because my tripod is not around with me at the moment. Alright, that's done for the batter, and we are going to pour into a 7-inch mold. Spread around. Pop it right into the oven. Alright, that's good. Time's up. So this is the cake that we just do, but it doesn't rise as much as I imagined, but it's okay. It just looks good. It actually looks good, right? Let me try the texture. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. It's actually good. Real good. It's fluffy, it's not dense, and it's not so sweet. The sweetness is okay for me. It's really good. Huh? Yeah. It's quite soft and moist. What do you want me to try next with the ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments. Bye.